You think you're safe because you have backups? I thought the same. External drive, cloud sync, everything secure. Then one day I plug in my backup drive and it just doesn't mount. No warning, no fix, just silence. And in that moment you realize something brutal. Backup doesn't mean recovery. Let's dive straight into this. Before I even tell you how I fixed it, I need to tell you about my friend Lara. She went to Bali, shot thousands of photos, as we all do. Beach sunsets, jungle waterfalls, insane drone footage over rice terraces. She comes home, plugs in her drive to edit, and everything's gone. Corrupted. The folder shows up, but the files won't open. Years from now, nobody cares about the laptop. But those Bali memories, that's different. She thought she had a backup. Turns out, the backup had issues too. That's when panic hits. That's exactly why I now use Wondershare Recoverit. Not after disaster, before it. Most of us live the same way. We store everything locally. Work documents, client projects, lecture notes, family photos, 4K and 8K videos from cameras and drones, all sitting on laptop, SD cards, and external drives. Maybe you copy them to a second drive once in a while and think you're good. It feels secure until the first real failure. Drives get dropped. File systems get corrupted. A sync error wipes the latest version of a folder. Or the backup drive works fine, but a specific project file or video just won't open anymore. That's the gap nobody talks about. Backup is duplication. Recovery is getting something back when duplication fails. And after what happened to Lara, and after my own drive scare, I added Wondershare Recoverit to my workflow. This is data recovery software that's been around for more than 20 years, used by over 100 million people in more than 160 countries. It's built for normal users and not just IT pros. If you're a student, freelancer, creator, or just someone who wants and has important memories, that's all that matters. So here's what actually happens when a drive fails. You connect the problematic drive, open Recoverit. It works on Windows, Mac, and everything, even supports Linux environments. It handles hard drives, SD cards, USB sticks, external drives, crash computer, NAS systems, cameras, drones, basically the real world of storage. First step, it scans the drive. You don't manually dig through broken folders. It uses AI-powered smart lost file recommendations and automatically highlights lost photos and videos first. You see thumbnails, you preview files, you instantly see what's recoverable. It also checks drive wealth and health with AI bad sector detection and risk alerts. That is absolutely huge. If your disk has physical issues, you get warned instead of blindly stressing a dying drive. It won't magically fix physically destroyed hardware, nothing can, but it helps you avoid making things worse. Under the hood, Recoverit identifies data across more than 1 million device types and over 10,000 loss scenarios. Accidental deletion, formatting, system crashes, NAS failures, Linux file systems like ext4, BTRFS, XFS. Over 1,000 file formats supported, documents, photos, videos, and so much more. And when the scan finishes, you get a clean, beginner-friendly interface. No partitions, no hex editors. Just browse like normal, filter by file type, preview what you need, and recover to a safe location on another drive. Then actually open the files to confirm they work. For creators, that's a whole nother level. AI-enhanced photo and video recovery. It can reconstruct fragmented Ultra HD 4K and 8K videos and even repair corrupted footage after recovery. I've seen cases where 360 camera footage that wouldn't open anywhere else was rebuilt. Drone clips reconstructed frame by frame in about an hour. That's not just finding files, that's restoring them to usable condition. And this is where Lara's story turns around. She ran a deep scan. Photos started appearing, then videos. Some were fragmented, some partially corrupted. Recoverit rebuilt most of them. Not 100%, no tool can promise that, especially if data was overwritten or hardware was destroyed, but she got back almost everything. Her Bali sunsets, the waterfall shots, the drone flyovers, from total panic to almost full recovery. Reported recovery rate is around 99.5% in supported scenarios. In real life, that often means the difference between I lost everything and I saved most of it. From a trust perspective, Recoverit is a flagship product from Wondershare, a company operating since 2003 with dozens of patents, clean and safe software guarantee, and 24/7 tech support. There's also a free version so you can scan your drive and see what's recoverable before actually committing. Now, I look at data safely and differently. Real protection is 2 layers. Backup prevents loss. Recovery responds to loss. One prepares you. The other gives you a second chance. Everyone says remember to back up your files. Yes, do that. But also ask yourself the harder question. If your backup drive fails, if sync breaks, if files are corrupted, what's your recovery plan? For me, that plan includes Wondershare Recoverit installed and ready. You hope you never need it, but if something does go wrong, you'll be glad it's there. Check the link below to learn more and download Wondershare Recoverit today. Set up backups, add recovery, protect your digital life from both accidents and bad luck. And definitely make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that actually protect what matters. Thank you all for watching this video today, and I'll see you all in the next one.